For weeks now, a strange visitor from the depths of interstellar space has been moving swiftly toward our sun, and astronomers around the world have been watching with growing curiosity and unease. Every major observatory, from Earth-based telescopes to orbiting satellites, has turned its gaze toward this mysterious light streaking across the night sky. At first, scientists thought it might be just another comet, a frozen relic wandering into our solar system from the far edge of space. But the closer we look, the more bizarre this object appears to be. Officially, astronomers have named it 3I Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object to ever be detected. The 3I simply means third. Interstellar, while Atlas comes from the observatory system that first spotted it. The asteroid terrestrial impact last alert system. What makes it remarkable is not just its speed or trajectory, but its strange behavior that doesn't match anything we've seen before. This traveler did not originate here. It comes from somewhere, far beyond our own sun possibly, from an ancient star system twice as old as ours. Imagine a fragment that has been adrift in the galaxy for billions of years, carrying with it the chemical fingerprint of a world long gone. To put this discovery into context, the first time we encountered an interstellar visitor was in 2017, when a cigar-shaped rock named Oumuamua suddenly entered our solar system. It baffled scientists because it showed no comet-like activity, no coma, and no tail, yet it accelerated in strange ways. The second was to I, Borisov, which looked and behaved almost exactly like a comet, except it had come from another star. Now, with 3-eyed Atlas, we have something entirely different, an object that seems to combine elements of both but in an even more perplexing fashion. It was first recorded on July 1, 2025, between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, moving far faster than any typical comet. But later, researchers traced its earliest sighting back to May of the same year, when NASA's TESS satellite accidentally photographed it while scanning for distant exoplanets. Back then, it was still near Jupiter's orbit, but already glowing unusually brighter than a typical comet would at that distance. Normally, comets only start to shine as they move closer to the sun, their icy surfaces warming and sublimating into glowing clouds of gas and dust. Yet 3I Atlas defied this rule, as if it was burning with energy from within or made of entirely different materials. That is why astronomers are calling it not just another comet, but perhaps the strangest interstellar object ever witnessed. And the story only gets stranger the more we follow its path toward the inner solar system. As scientists tracked 3I Atlas through July and August, its behavior only deepened the mystery. Like most comets, the object began to develop a halo of gas and dust, what astronomers call the coma. This is usually caused by frozen water on the comet's surface turning directly into vapor as it warms under sunlight. But in the case of 3I Atlas, the coma was not only brighter than expected, it also began to form a tail that behaved in the strangest possible way. Normally, the sun's constant stream of charged particles known as the solar wind blows a comet's tail outward, away from the sun. It's a predictable effect, like air blowing back a flag in the wind. But when astronomers looked at 3I Atlas, they saw its tail forming in the opposite direction, pointing toward the sun as if being pulled by some unknown force. It was the kind of observation that didn't just puzzle astronomers. It defied the basic rules of comet physics. Some compared it to watching a dog stick its head out of a moving car, but instead of its fur blowing backward, it somehow stretched forward. Clearly, something very unusual was happening with this visitor. From deep space. To make sense of the anomaly, the world's most powerful observatories joined the investigation: the Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope, and even specialized instruments like NASA's SpaceX were all directed toward the object, while the TESS satellite was reassigned to gather more data. What they found made the mystery deeper. Instead of the coma being made mostly of water vapor, as we normally see with comets, The cloud around 3I Atlas was found to be dominated by carbon dioxide gas. In fact, the ratio of CO to H2O was staggering, about 8 times more CO than water, a complete reversal of what we expect from comets formed in our own solar system. This meant 3I Atlas must have been born in an entirely different kind of planetary nursery, where the raw ingredients available for comet building were very different from those near our own sun. The sheer size of its carbon dioxide halo was also astonishing. Astronomers estimated it stretched nearly 300,000 kilometers in radius, almost half the diameter of the sun itself. That suggested that the solid core at its center might also be much larger than previously thought. Early guesses put its size at only 11 to 20 kilometers across, but with the new measurements, scientists now believe it could be closer to 46 kilometers wide. While that's not the largest comet nucleus ever discovered, the unusual chemical composition sets it apart as something we have truly never encountered before. What made things even more perplexing was that the very large telescope in Chile detected significant amounts of nickel metal in the comet's surrounding cloud but found no trace of iron. That is almost unheard of in cosmic chemistry, because iron and nickel are usually found together. They are formed side by side inside exploding stars and are nearly inseparable in asteroids and planetary cores. The only time humanity has ever seen nickel isolated from iron is when we refine and separate the two metals ourselves through industrial processes. So, how did 3I Atlas end up venting nickel without its natural partner? That's the kind of riddle that makes scientists both excited and uneasy, because the answers could point to processes we simply don't yet understand, or to something more artificial in origin. When news of the nickel discovery was announced, it didn't take long for speculation to explode far beyond the walls of science, conferences, and observatories. After all, an object that behaves strangely, shines brighter than expected, grows a tail in the wrong direction, and carries pure nickel without its usual partner, iron, sounds less like a natural body and more like the plot of a science fiction story. Inevitably, theories about alien technology began to circulate. Some researchers reminded the public that this wasn't the first time such speculation arose. Back in 2017, Oumuamua's strange acceleration and unusual shape led even Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb to openly suggest the possibility that it could have been an artificial probe sent by another civilization. That idea was controversial then, and it remains controversial now, but it set a precedent. When interstellar objects defy normal explanations, people are quick to wonder if they might not be natural at all. With 3I Atlas, the unusual carbon dioxide cloud and mysterious nickel signal added fuel to that fire. One speculative explanation was that 3I Atlas could be a massive alien spacecraft, switching on some kind of propulsion or energy system as it approached the sun, which might explain the unexpected increase in brightness. Another theory suggested that the cloud of carbon dioxide wasn't sublimation at all, but rather the waste exhalations of life aboard a giant ship, billions of organisms breathing out CO, just like humans do. The most imaginative idea went even further, claiming the object itself might be alive, a colossal space-faring organism, consuming dust and gas as fuel and venting carbon dioxide as a byproduct of metabolism. None of these ideas have solid proof, and most scientists consider them unlikely. But the important thing is that, as of now, no one can rule them out with absolute certainty. That thin margin of possibility is enough to keep the public fascinated and the scientific community intensely focused. The official stance among astronomers is far more cautious. They argue that the peculiarities of 3I Atlas may simply reflect the fact that it was born in a very different star system than our own. In those distant places, the chemistry, temperature, and raw elements available to form icy bodies could have been vastly different, producing objects that seem alien to us but are still natural. The abnormal CO2H-CHO ratio, while the nickel finding, might point to unusual planetary processes we haven't observed before. Still, the combination of mysteries is hard to ignore, even among scientists who dismiss the alien theories. There's quiet agreement that this is the strangest interstellar object we've ever encountered. Unlike Borisov, which behaved predictably, and unlike Oumuamua, which gave us very little time to study. 3i. Atlas is presenting a long, complex puzzle with each passing observation for the public. This blend of science and mystery has been irresistible. News outlets have run stories about alien visitors and mystery probes, while social media thrives on speculation about what secrets this interstellar traveler might hold. Scientists, of course, urge caution. They emphasize that while the data is genuinely unusual, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. But behind the caution, there is also genuine excitement. Every telescope pointed at 3i Atlas represents humanity's chance to peek into a chapter of cosmic history that stretches far beyond our own solar system. Even if the object turns out to be completely natural, it will still teach us something about how planets and comets form in other star systems, and if it turns out to be more than that, something truly artificial or alive, then it would be the most profound discovery in human history. As September 2025 unfolded, the intrigue surrounding 3i Atlas only grew deeper. Ground-based telescopes reported sudden changes in its brightness, with unpredictable spikes and dips that didn't match the behavior of an ordinary comet. Normally, a comet's light curve, the graph of how bright it appears over time, follows a relatively smooth pattern as more ice sublimates near the sun. But 3i Atlas produced erratic bursts of energy, as if something inside it were turning on and off. Some astronomers likened it to flickering, a behavior that suggested controlled activity rather than random natural processes. What was even more baffling was the coherence of the light during one outburst. Spectrographic analysis indicated a narrow-band emission, far too precise to be explained by simple reflections of sunlight or chemical reactions in its coma. To some, this hinted at technology like a transmitter or energy weapon unleashing its signal into space. Others insisted it was simply a resonance effect in the gas cloud. But the truth is, no one had ever seen such a phenomenon before. Not in comets, not in asteroids, not in interstellar debris. The scientific community responded with urgency. Emergency observation time was allocated on the largest instruments, and even the European Space Agency began discussing whether a rapid response probe mission could be launched. While such a mission would take years to reach its target, the mere fact that the conversation was happening showed how seriously experts were taking this event. Meanwhile, amateur astronomers worldwide pointed their own telescopes at the object, uploading images to online databases. Social media became flooded with side-by-side comparisons of the flickering light curves, fueling wild speculation about coded messages hidden in the signals. Conspiracy forums went so far as to claim that governments already knew the truth about 3i Atlas and were hiding its real nature from the public, whether believable or not. Such claims only amplified the global obsession with this mysterious traveler. In the halls of academia, debates grew heated. Some argued that 3i Atlas represented a new class of interstellar object, unlike anything catalogued before. Others countered that it might not be an object at all but the shattered remains of something larger, perhaps a rogue planet that was destroyed and scattered across space, with 3i Atlas being just one fragment. The presence of nickel without iron supported this idea in an unexpected way. Since planetary differentiation, the process by which heavy elements sink toward a core, might create regions of nickel-rich material separated from iron. If true, 3i. Atlas could be a piece of a long-dead alien world, carrying chemical fingerprints of a planet that no longer exists. It's a haunting thought, a fragment of an ancient solar system drifting for billions of years, now crossing paths with ours. Whatever its origin, one fact is clear. 3i. Atlas is not behaving like anything we've seen before, whether natural or artificial, ordinary or extraordinary. It challenges our understanding of astrophysics. Each new observation deepens the puzzle rather than solving it, leaving scientists humbled and the public enthralled. If nothing else, this object reminds us how vast and strange the universe truly is, and how many of its secrets still lie waiting far beyond the borders of our familiar sky. As September 2025 rolled in, the story of 3i Atlas took an even stranger turn. Astronomers watching closely noticed something they simply could not explain. The brightness of the object didn't behave like a normal comet at all. Instead of a smooth and steady increase as it approached the sun, 3.1, Atlas began to pulse, flicker, almost as if it were alive. One moment it would shine brighter, the next it would dim, then surge again with even more intensity. It wasn't random noise, there was a pattern to it, something that hinted at control. Imagine looking at a lighthouse far away. Its light cutting through the darkness with precise flashes. That's exactly how some observers described this cosmic intruder. But that wasn't the strangest part. During one of these sudden bursts of light, spectrographs picked up something completely out of place, a narrowband emission. This kind of signal isn't something you get from rocks and ice. It was too clean, too sharp, almost like a transmission. Could it be that 3i Atlas was trying to send out a message? Or was it simply some exotic reaction we've never seen before? Scientists immediately tried to calm the storm of speculation, but the truth was clear: this was behavior no one had ever documented in any comet, asteroid, or interstellar object. The world's biggest observatories scrambled into action. Hubble, James Webb, and ground-based giants all shifted their gaze. Even the European Space Agency began discussing whether a special probe could be rushed into space to intercept this object. Of course, such a mission would take years, but the fact that it was even on the table showed just how extraordinary this situation had become. At the same time, amateur astronomers across the globe joined in, uploading their own images of 3i Atlas online, and soon the internet was flooded with speculation, claims that the flickering light was some kind of alien code, while conspiracy forums went a step further, saying governments already knew the truth and were hiding it. Whether real or not, the mystery had captured the world's imagination. In universities and observatories, debates grew fiery. Some experts argued this was simply a brand new class of interstellar object, something natural, but born under conditions we've never studied before. Others floated a darker possibility. Maybe 3i Atlas was a fragment of something much larger, perhaps even the shattered remains of a planet. The nickel without iron made this theory strangely believable, since planetary processes can separate elements deep inside their cores. If that's true, then what we're looking at might not just be a comet, but the last surviving piece of a long-dead alien world, a relic drifting silently across the galaxy for billions of years, only now crossing paths with humanity. And so, we're left with more questions than answers. Is 3i Atlas a natural wanderer carrying clues about faraway star systems? Or is it something else entirely, something that defies our understanding of science? Whatever the truth may be, one thing is certain: this object is unlike anything humanity has ever seen. And as we continue to watch it race past our sun,